Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to clear the cache partition on the Samsung S24 FE. Alright, so this is the S24 FE. You can see that this is the device itself. Alright, so in order to clear the cache partition, you use this in cases where if you're having bad battery life, it can be used to fix that. If you have apps that are crashing, you can actually use it to fix those problems as well. Now, in order to do this, make sure your phone is off. Now, before you do this as well, please back up your device. That include pictures and photos. Make sure you remove the Samsung account as well to prevent the device from FRP lock. All right. So if all that is done, you're going to go ahead and turn off the device, and you're going to find the power button and the volume up button. You're going to press both of them at the same time. All right, as soon as you see the logo, let go of power and keep holding up until it reaches this screen here. And this is the recovery. Now we're going to wipe cache partition and data recovery. Sorry, we're going to wipe cache partition in this case. So you're going to go down. And where it says wipe cache partition, you're going to use power to select. And here, you're going to go ahead and select yes. The backup that I suggested earlier, this doesn't actually delete any of your data. It's only temporary files, just a correction. So you can always, or it's a good idea to always back up your files, but wiping the cache doesn't affect the device or wipe the device. So just to clarify that was a slight error on my part. I'm sorry for that. So it doesn't delete anything of importance with the cache. It's just temporary files. So if you have backed up your device, that's just a safety precaution in general. But of course, with cache partition, you do not need to do that. So once you hit yes, it will wipe the cache partition. All right. So great way, as I said, to fix crashing apps and cases where your battery performance is real bad. All right. So you're gonna hit yes for you. I'm just demonstrating. So I'm gonna hit no. As soon as you're finished, you can reboot system now. All right. So my tutorial here. Do hope this was useful. And as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.